Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I'll show you how to copy and paste effects onto different tracks in the Adobe Audition CC multitrack. So here we are with some audio, and I've just finished creating a nice chain here with some compression, denoise, a bit of EQ, and the multiband compressor. Let's have a listen.
On all social media platforms.
Okay, that sounds great, but then I move it to track 2 and...
On all social media platforms.
We're flat again. That's not so good. So there's a very easy way to copy and paste these effects all from this track onto track 2. Now, it's not as simple as you think. It's not simply a case of Command-C or Control-C, and then over here, Command-C or Control-V. That just copies and pastes the waveform, which we don't want. But there is an easy solution. You go into the Mixer view up here, and then you'll see all of the effects that you need to copy are listed here. Can you see them? There they are. And to copy and paste, you simply drag and drop onto your next track. Drag and drop. Denoise, drag and drop. Parametric equalizer. Scroll down, drag and drop multi-band compressor. Back then to your editor view, and you'll see there is track 1 with all the effects and track 2 with all the effects. And if we play back
on all,
and then we move back
on all social,
copied and retained everything I've done inside that effect. How brilliant is that? Track 3
on all social media.
It's not there. Now, there is another way if you want to copy between clips and you're working in waveform as well, and that is to make sure you save this chain as a preset. So that's the preset button there. Save effects rack as preset. We'll call this mic power EQ, for instance. Okay, mic power EQ. There it is. And then we'll go to the waveform view where we've got the flat version of Al speaking.
On all social media platforms.
But then we can go down into our presets here and we can look for mic power EQ, and there it is.
On all social media platforms.
And we can do this on as many clips as we like. Copying and pasting of effects, super easy inside Adobe Audition CC.